You do not care about Chinese. You do not care about the Uyghurs. You do not care about Southern Mongolian. You are pathetic, lady. Go eat your lunch. Free Tibet now! Free Tibet now! China, China, China! Out, out, out! 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 China! Out! China! Out! China! Out! Shame, shame! China, shame! 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 Tibet will be free! Tibet will be free! Tibet will be free! Tibet will be free! CCP will fail! CCP will fail! CCP will fail! The funny thing is, CCP is failing. CCP is corrupt. CCP is falling apart. Seriously, that's why you're all here, because you're running away from China. Because you're scared what's happening in China. So you're running over here buying all these houses. Because you're scared, because your government is stamping down on corruption. Shame, shame, China, shame! 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 Tibet will be free! 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 What do we want? Free Tibet! When do we want it? Now! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! What do we want? Free Tibet! When do we want it? Now! When do we want it? Now! 143 self-immolations in Tibet! Freedom now! Freedom now! 143 self-immolations in Tibet! Freedom now! Freedom now! There is 143 Tibetans, monks, nuns, teenagers, children, have burned their bodies on fire. 17-year-old teenagers, 18-year-olds, parents with children, burning their bodies on fire because of the suffocating repression the Chinese government are clamping in Tibet. Exactly. You're senseless, senseless people. You're bullies. You bully Tibetan people inside Tibet, and now you try and bully out of the full country. The only thing you're good at is bullying. That's why the world does not respect you. That's why the world does not respect you. That's why the Chinese government embassy paid you to be here, paid for your lunch, paid for those flags. You don't care about the Chinese people. You don't care about the Uyghurs. You don't care about Southern Mongolians. You're corrupt, selfish, uncompassionate people. China will fail, Tibetans will win. China will fail, Tibetans will win, because we will never give up. We will never give up our land, our people, our culture, our life. Shame, shame,
China shame!
shame, shame,
China shame!
shame, shame,
China shame!
shame, shame,
China shame!
shame, shame, China